Hey, Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. I know it's been a long time since we have posted a video on our channel. However, we will start getting back active into YouTube and ready to hit off the ground. So in today's video, I'd like to discuss how to flush DNS on Windows 10 or your Windows 11 desktop or PC operating system. A domain network system known as DNS is a server in which translates familiar domains like Facebook.com or Instagram.com into the IP addresses computers to connect with each other. When a program tries to connect to a domain like Google or Facebook.com, your computer queries a DNS server on the internet to get corresponding numerical IP address. So this tutorial is very simple, and you can do it by using the command prompt or the PowerShell. So all you have to do is choose the start menu and simply type in CMD. And what you need to do is simply run as administrator. Choose OK to allow access. And once you have this command prompt open, what you need to do is type in this command. So it's ipconfig space / flush DNS. Alright, and this is the whole command. Go ahead and press enter. And it should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So now after this is complete, you can simply just close it and open up the internet browser. And you can simply open up any website that you would like to access. For example, if it's facebook.com, you can go ahead and type it in. And you can now successfully get into that page, and it should be able to sign you in. Similarly, you can also do it using the PowerShell command. So if you go to the start menu and type in PowerShell, so choose Windows PowerShell and make sure to select Run as Administrator, or right click and select Run as Administrator. Yes to allow access. And you're going to type in the same command prompt over here under Windows PowerShell. So it's going to be ipconfig space / flush DNS, no spaces. Alright, so just like this, go ahead and select enter. And once again, it should say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Alright, so this will work whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. And just a note, if you're using PowerShell 5, which is the default on your Windows 10 operating system, your window will be blue instead of black. Since I'm using Windows 11, it's black. If you had Windows 10, it would be blue. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and comment if you have any comments or any questions. Thank you and have a nice day.